Hello, Namaskar, Salam, Adavarze friends. Welcome everyone to my channel, The Pahadi Coders. This side Shubham Bhatt, 3 years experienced developer with a demonstrated history of working in the internet industry, skilled in PHP, Coordinator, JavaScript, MySQL, Payment Gateway, API development, jQuery, Node.js, Django, JSP and many more. And with the strong engineering profession with a bachelor degree focused in computer science from SRHU, Dehradun. Now I'm going to tell you the purpose of this video. These videos are going to be very important for those people who have just moved into web development or are just getting started. I'm going to announce a new course in this video which is going to be on top of PHP. So what is PHP? PHP is a server scripting language and a powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. PHP is widely used free and efficient alternative to competitors such as Microsoft ASP. PHP 7 is the latest stable release. What is PHP file? PHP file contains tags HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. PHP code is executed on the server and the result is returned to the browser as a plain HTML. PHP file have an extension .php. So how to run PHP program in our PC? Find a web host with PHP and MySQL support. Install a web server on your own PC and then install PHP and MySQL. Example XAMPP, WAMP or LAMP. What they are? The server that is hosted locally on your computer is called a local server. With the help of local server, you can run websites and test its running time and then you can update it to the web server. PHP syntax. PHP script is executed on the server and the plain HTML result is sent back to the browser. PHP script can be placed anywhere in the document. PHP script start with less than question mark PHP and ends with the question mark greater than sign. PHP statement end with the semicolon. As you may have come to know from the thumbnail that this course is going to be completed in English and Hindi and I will clear all the doubts in this video. If you are interested in this course then subscribe to the channel and share your friend with it so whenever I upload a new video you don't miss. In the next 2 or 3 videos, I will tell you how we do client and server communication through PHP and together I will discuss some of the function of Ajax or jQuery so that you become a professional PHP developer. I saw a lot of tutorial on YouTube, no doubts were good but they only told CURL operation which is not enough when we learning PHP. In the PHP series of this, I will clear all your logic related doubts and it's end of this course you can also create the logic part of any type of website. And the most important thing I will teach you not only PHP but with that I will also teach you how to do your PHP project of server life. So subscribe and share the channel with this so under this do not miss any videos related to the course. Thank you so much. And thanks for watching this video.